This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming which Microsoft apps you will remove and why, freeing space and resolving conflicts. Sign out of accounts in each app and disable Auto Start in system settings so nothing restarts. Once done, quit every Microsoft process, use Force Quit if needed, then open Finder, go to Applications, and drag the targeted Microsoft apps to the trash. Make sure you keep an active backup before deleting mail profiles or OneDrive files. Next, tackle supporting files, because leaving these behind keeps preferences and background services alive. In Finder, press Shift-Command-G, navigate to /library/containers, and remove folders with COM. Microsoft prefixes. Then check /library/group containers for Microsoft data, and delete caches in /library/caches plus preference files in /library/preferences. Once you've moved these to finally, remove launch agents and login items so Microsoft services don't relaunch. Look in System Settings General Login Items and in /library/launch agents for COM. Microsoft files, then delete them. Use Activity Monitor to quit any remaining Microsoft processes. If a component resists removal, reinstall the app and uninstall again to clean the installer's receipts. If problems persist, boot into safe mode. Repeat the cleanup and only then consider restoring from your backup. One tip: check disk permissions and free space when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.